The next step in the 11-minute essay is to look at your examples again and choose what you think is your second best example for your thesis statement. So again, my thesis statement was remembering the past can help save pain and suffering in the future. I already talked about the plague and Ebola, and I think next I'm going to choose my fire ant example because that's one that I know a lot about. It actually happened to me, so I can write about it easily. Whereas some of the other ones, I don't have quite as much to write about. So I'm going to choose that one next. So I'll show you my paragraph. That is not it at all. Let me go to the actual, okay, sorry, wrong document. Shouldn't have more than one Word document open when you're making a video. There's a lesson to learn. Okay, here we go. Another example on a smaller scale is a lesson I learned the first summer I lived in Texas. I innocently walked barefoot in some grass while I was taking pictures of my son. I accidentally stepped in a fire ant nest and I was bitten several times. I had no idea that fire ants even existed, and I was really saddened to discover how painful their bites can be and how long the agonizing itchiness lasts. I will always remember to wear appropriate footwear anytime I am in the grass anywhere in the state of Texas. That lesson from the past will save me a lot of pain in the future. So this one's a little bit shorter. That's fine. They don't have to be the exact same length. But I put a transition sentence to kind of refer to this first paragraph because the first paragraph was like a global scale, and I just say, hey, this is another example, but it's a smaller scale. So to transition from this paragraph to this paragraph, and then I explained what happened, and then at the end of my paragraph, I tied it back to the thesis, how it's going to save me from pain and suffering. Boom, that's what my thesis was about. So guess what? You are going to get the next 3 minutes. I'm going to set the timer again. I want you to do the same thing. Choose the next example that you think would work for your thesis, and you have 3 minutes to write about it. On your mark, get set, go. All right, folks, your 3 minutes are up.